Installation and debugging of rotary knife. Prepare the tools rotary knife blades, wrench. The following shows the installation of a rotary knife blade. Loosen the screws on both sides with a wrench and remove the cover. Removes the nut with a wrench. Flatten the blade and tighten the nut. Next step, need to put the rotary knife on the machine head and then tighten the cover. Loosen the screws on the back of the knife and remove the knife head. Loosen the pressure ring until it is flushed with the cutter barrel. Rotary knife shank mounted in machine head, tightening pressure ring. Turn the knife head so the screw holes face forward. Rotary knife head screw holes aligned with shank screw holes. Tighten the screws with a wrench. Then turn the head. Tighten the cover of the rotary knife head. Finally, plug the rotary knife power cord into the top of machine head. Rotary knife plug is a 4-pronged plug. Align the 4-pronged plug nut on the machine head and tighten it. The rotary knife is installed. Finally, adjust the depth of the rotary knife. Click on the knife depth interface. Click Debug and then click Depth. The tool is mounted on the right side of the machine head. Choose Vibrating. Now in continuous fasting mode, dropping the knife. As the blade approaches the tablecloth, we click on the slow mode drop. Tap Set to 0.1 to continue falling. After adjusting, click Set. Finally, raise the knife. The knife depth setting is complete.